you under the table. I have a kind of a theory on this, and it's really been built over the years of seeing a lot of people try to work, and they're saying, well, you know what? If I don't report this income and put it in the bank, then, they'll never know, and I'll save taxes on it. They seem like a good deal, but they never are. But they're not, right? Some business owners believe they're saving money paying under the table. This is rarely true. These payments are illegal and can expose you to legal trouble and audits, particularly when it comes to the State Board of Equalization and the sales tax audits and stuff like that. If you're selling stuff that has sales tax on it, you got to be super careful, because those guys, the Board of Equalization, or the CDFTA as they're now known as, they changed their name to protect the guilty for all of the bad things they're doing to business, are very, very good at figuring out if you're hiding money or not. They're really, really good at it. So it's amazing what they can try to do. And they know, because that's their business, is to figure that stuff out and figure out where you're hiding the state's money. And one of the problems with paying things under the table is that you don't know what your true costs are, because you're not putting them through your books and your banks. So you don't know what your margins are. The bottom line is, when you get caught, which you will, through the EDD or the IRS or the state of California, the Franchise Tax Board, when you get caught, you're gonna double up on your taxes, and it could be destroying. I've seen people get destroyed by this, where they're like, I'm gonna pay my guys this 1099 under the table, whatever, and then the EDD catches up with them, and then the next thing you know, they're facing penalties of $100 a paycheck for not being issued, $1,000 an employee for not having workers' comp, and all these other things. They've really figured out how to get people, right? They've really, really figured out how to make people pay. Because it's very easy for politicians to raise penalties and interest on people that don't obey the law, raise regular tax rates.